Hey guys, it's JetRex103 here. And as you guys know, I do I do have the bigger restaurant that I got earlier on in the game. Or not earlier on in the game, but the one that I got, my main account. But then I made this one for this Let's Play. I'm gonna be switching off every episode, so it's gonna be this one, and then I'm gonna make a whole new video of my other restaurant, which is all complete and finished. So, Mamma Mia, the restaurant is empty. This village has never had a closed restaurant. We must start to work here immediately. Press the blue build button on your hotbar and begin placing furniture. Sorry if that's offensive to anybody. It's just a voice that I like doing. That might be offensive to some people. I'm sorry. If I have any people from Italy, I'm sorry. Nice going. I'm gonna do it anyway, so. I think it's time to open your restaurant. Good deal, restaurant button on your hotbar. And the settings set your own restaurant to open. Oh, a whoopsies. Let's go just F11. Start to open. Okie dokie. It is open as an artichoke. Okay. I better get lots of money from you people. If I don't get lots of money from you people, I'm closing my restaurant and going to my account. Oh, it's a birthday. Let's go. Let's go. Birthday. I have a headache, guys. Order your gosh dang food. Oh, yeah, guys. I'm also doing Japanese food. Or Chinese food. Spacebar. Left arrow. Up arrow. Up arrow. Duck roll. So what you guys want? Huh? Okay. Do 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 do. Okay, I'm just gonna go wee woo wee wee. My friend Dominic's gonna get on later as soon as he can figure out how to record. You know what, Dominic? Don't worry about recording right now. Just get on. He's too. No, you're not. Do 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 do. That was a lot. Do 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 do. Okay. Who wants the Chinese dumplings? You do. And then you want sweet and sour. Hey, take your sweet and sour. Take it. Fine, he'll get it. Okay, what do you guys want? I might say that is some very nice fashion. Oh, okay, white rice. Chow mein, Chinese dumplings. Oh, that's fried rice. Up arrow, right arrow, down arrow, down arrow. Mwah. Right arrow, left arrow, right arrow, down arrow. Mwah. Down arrow, right arrow, space bar, down arrow. Right arrow, up arrow, space bar, up arrow. Okay, who wants these? The Chinese dumplings. You, right? Oh no, this is chow mein. Fried rice. I know you want that, and then you want that, and then you want that. What do you guys want? I might say that is one very exquisite hat you got there. Oh, a cake. Obviously, I'm waiting for my birthday cake. Of course, it's your birthday. I have to get you your cake. Just please don't eat it all by yourself, because that won't be good. Okay, let's give this man his first. And then we're going to do this, okay? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, green hat lady. Happy Happy birthday to you. I really like your hat. Ba ba. You guys can't hear this music, but I can. Ba ba da 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 da. Your hat is so cool, and it is dope. Yo yo, your hair is pretty, and that makes you dope. Yo. Oh wow, she's eating the whole cake by herself. You guys don't want any? I mean, I made that for you guys. She's gonna get. She's gonna be fat. Oh, okay. I'll take your money. You want egg tart? I give you egg tart. Down arrow, left arrow, right arrow, right arrow. I just clicked the egg tart. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Right here. Yes. Okay. Let's go ahead. Get a chef. We want her to cook Chinese food. It's gonna be her. Okay, start working. You're gonna work here. Epic. Oh, sick. If you guys want to watch his channel, he's gonna have face cam of me playing. It's kind of weird having my face cam. I don't have a face cam, to be honest, guys. If I had a face cam, I would use it. Don't worry. Oh yeah, she's cooking. I'll take that. Every 2 minutes, I gotta pay $2. Dominic, where's your screen recorder? Okay, gotta. Okay, guys, he's figuring his stuff out. Start a new one with me, Dominic. Oh, yes, right here. Do, 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 do. You know what? I'm gonna kick everyone out, actually. Close. Stop working. I can't with stuff. Sell. Sell, 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 sell. I probably shouldn't have done that. But hey, I did, and there's no going back. Yo, I love this store. Dominic, click F11, it might show up then. Click F11, it might show up then. Okay, we want to get the average counter. Oh, that sucks. I bought one too many. Okay, we gotta go here. Place. Let's go here quickly. Okay. Man, I really hate that you guys can't hear. I have to pay for that, so I'm not going to do it. Okay, let's open. Welcome, welcome to, whatever my place's name is. I don't know, okay? You know what? Just so I can do some stuff quickly, I need to change my name. So, start working, please. And then my chef start working. Okay, let's go out here. And I want to change my name. Huh. Huh. Hmm. All you can eat house. All you can eat house. That's what we're gonna call it, guys. All you can eat house. Yep. See? All you can eat house. That's what this place is gonna be called. All you can eat house. Oh, thank you. So what are we doing over here, lady? Oh, okay, she took that. So what you doing? You doing your job? You doing your job? Wait. Let's see how big her brain is. She doesn't have a big brain. You best be good at your job. If I upgrade you, would you get a brain? I'll have to check my good account because I already have you max level on my good account. Okie dokie. Artichoke. Okay, I can do that. Best get to work. You doing your job? I best see food on here. Right there. There we go. You want that. I best see more food. Where's that food? Where is it? Dominic, did you just give up? Okay. Lady, more? I'm waiting. I hired you to cook. Thank you. Man, she's so slow. Cook faster. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I want to see that last bowl of fried rice. Best be right there. As soon as I look back, it best be there. She took it. Let's go look at the competition. I want to see this place. It looks the most worthy. Sweet Lily. We need to leave right now. This fidget spinners. Leave. Fast, fast, fast. We gotta get out of here. We gotta get out of here. There's fidgets. Gotta go, 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 gotta go. Okay, I'm here. Oh, my customers already left. Do 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 do. Okay, I want you guys. Oh, she already did. Okay. I best see some food. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna say the outro right now. This isn't the end of the video, but the outro is gonna be said, and yeah, it's just gonna be me taking food back and forth, because I'm saying the outro because I'm not paying attention to the time of the video. So, bye. Never mind. Cook. I best see some spring rolls on here. Show me the spring rolls. Where are they? I don't see them. Thank you. I best see some more spring rolls. As soon as I look back, I best see them. You're fired. Gosh, never doing their work. Never, that's a word. I best see some food. As soon as I look back. Excuse me, where was that? As soon as I look back. 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You keep your job. We've got 1 minute left on the video since the screen recorder only goes to 15. Okay, guys, I'm gonna play on this server for a little bit, or with this building, and I'm going to try and get a little bit further, so it's just not this for the whole game. In the meantime, I'm gonna go yell, people. You want that? Yep. I best see some food. 3, 2, 1. It's there. Good. I best give me. Oh, I got a tip. The first tip ever. That's not true. Okay, come on. We can do this, guys. We can do this. Oh, no, we can't. We still have to get a birthday cake. Another birthday? Well, come on in. You just came here. You just came here. I know. So did you. So did you. 2 of you came, actually.